In this video, we're going to analyze the narrator's quote from Berserk. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
それは剣というにはあまりに大きすぎた。大きく分厚く重く、そして大雑把すぎた。
So today's quote is それは剣というにはあまりに大きすぎた。それ means it, which is indicating the dragon slayer, the weapon that Guts is using. The particle wa is used to indicate the topic of the sentence, which is the dragon slayer. The predicate of the sentence is 剣というにはあまりに大きすぎた。There is the grammar えには be すぎる meaning to be, to do A. The A ends with the verb dictionary form and the B ends with the stem of an adjective. And sugita is just the past tense of sugiru. Now let's look at the A part, 剣という. Ken means a sword. The quotation particle to and the verb you means to be called. So ken to you means to be called a sword. And the B part consists of amarini and the stem of the adjective 大きい. Amarini is used to emphasize the following adjective meaning so much or way too much. For example, あまりに悲しくて涙が止まらなかった meaning I was so sad that I couldn't stop crying. あまりに楽しくて時間を忘れた meaning I had so much fun I forgot about the time. The adjective 大きい means big, so あまりに大きすぎた means was far too big. So 剣というにはあまりに大きすぎた means was far too big to be called a sword. Here are some examples with this grammar. お酒を飲むには若すぎる meaning you're too young to drink alcohol. 外で遊ぶには暑すぎる meaning it's too hot to play outside. So today's quote, それは剣というにはあまりに大きすぎた means it was far too big to be called a sword. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.